Sometimes, well, as far as educating the prospect or the client, sometimes it goes the other direction. Their budget is set for X number of dollars per month, but we can help them out, find areas of waste. So, for example, you've got this 20,000 square foot office. Do you really need every trash can emptied 5 nights a week? What if we just do the trash Monday, Wednesday, Friday? That cuts this many hours. Yeah. Oh, yeah, we can live with that. We never thought of that. Or why are they dusting these areas 3 nights a week? Once a week is adequate. So you can find areas to cut waste, and then which cuts our labor time, which cuts the cost, and so it can go either way. But the point is, if you help them see some of these things, because they don't know the cleaning business, they're not cleaning experts. We can find ways to cut the cost. And so maybe using a day porter on larger accounts has helped tremendously. That takes a lot of labor off the night crew. We have one we're looking at where the day porter's there 5 days, but the night crew's only there 3 nights a week. And it really works. It saves the cost, but they still get the results. They see the day porter every day, and they have that relationship. So there's lots of education involved and offering solutions. Yeah. I keep thinking of that term, be the go-to solution provider, and they appreciate it. Yeah. And if not immediately, eventually they call back and say, hey, we're ready. Let's come on back in and let's talk.